I want to bring out the lone legendary lady tonight. She's going to deliver you with this performance two of my favorite songs of hers. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Deja, Opulent Mirage.
I don't need to fall at your feet just 'cause you got me to the bone. And I don't miss the way that you kiss me, baby, well, you were never carved in stone. If I don't listen to the talk of the town, then maybe I can fool myself. I'll get over you, I know I will. I'll pretend my ship's not sinking, and I'll tell myself I'm over you, 'cause I'm the king of wishful thinking. I refuse to give in to my blues, and that's not how it's gonna be. Oh, and I deny the tears in my eyes. I don't wanna let you see. No, that you have made a hole in my heart, and now I've got to fool myself. I'll get over you, I know I will. I'll pretend my ship's not sinking, and I'll tell myself I'm over you, 'cause I'm the king of wishful thinking. Yeah, I'll be the king of wishful thinking. Buy me a drink and I'm honest like Abe Lincoln. It started out real casual, but gradually he became everything to me. Oh yeah, we had our problems, now we try to solve them. Maybe take a break or two and try to call them again, but baby be gone. Now I wonder how long it's gonna take to move on. I'll get over you, I know I will. You made a hole in my heart, but I won't shed a tear for you. I'm the king of wishful thinking. I'll get over you, I know I will. I'll pretend my heart's still beating, 'cause I've got no more tears for you. I'm the king of wishful thinking.
Ooh, those harmonies! Those harmonies are everything. And now, for something a little different, a bit of an anthem from the film Camp, How Shall I See You Through My Tears?
I'm a sister, dearest
Deja, Opulent Mirage. I love it, I live it, I breathe it. Right? Ahmad, maybe that song needs to be in Rainbow on the Green. As the anti-bullying tribute, perhaps? You feel me? We can get a children's choir. I'm not playing. I love it.